Hi, and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, or you just want to be around people who do like to make things with joy, you found your right place and your right people. Please like, subscribe, and share. Now, today is my Friday Sews video, my weekly report card of what's been going on in the workshop. Lots of stuff has been going on. Let's see, first things first. Hashtag Friday Sews was created by Jenny Westner, and it is part of the Friday Creator Group on Facebook if you want to go join up and see what everyone's doing over there. And they usually have a forum topic about what to get started about talking about. So this time the forum topic was, what was your favorite back to school outfit? Did you make it? Did someone make it for you? Let's talk about it. Now, I don't remember a ton of my outfits until about the time I hit high school, junior high and high school. And so I had lived through the disco era and was going into the flat shoes, straight leg pants, hair, all that kind of stuff era. And I had one time I got to shop by myself with the money. My parents were too busy, and they let me go to King's Plaza in Brooklyn, New York, and buy all my clothes. And I got all of this stuff that I absolutely loved, pea coats and pants and vests and all that, and flat shoes and all that kind of stuff. And then it didn't get cold for a long time. So I can't remember what I wore back at school. Probably a pair of jeans and something else, something frothy and frilly on the top, which I was into. But I didn't make them, I bought them. Now, this week was filled with videos, editing, putting them up, because I'm trying to have some content every single day for my Sew Reversible 2023 challenge, which is coming to an end. We only have about 6-7 more days. And so I've been putting up makes and shorts and Instagram reels and all that kind of stuff to show people some of the things that I've been working on or have worked on that are reversible. I don't reverse everything, but the stuff I do reverse, I have a good time with. So, aside from that, so I released this week, the Pattern Fantastique Harmonic Wave Set. Y'all, you know I love that pattern. And I also showed, I think, what did I show on Monday? Right, the wrap top and the apron dress. And I'll show you the wrap top over here and the apron dress over here, which has turned out to be one of my favorites because I've made that apron dress about 4 times. But this one I really like, I really love. So now I had some time, and you know I have a whole bunch of things cut out. You know that, right? So I love to cut things out when I'm watching movies or just talking on the phone with people. And so I got this fabric. I wonder if I have a snatch of it. Oh, I don't have it anymore because I used it to stuff something. And I'll show you what that is after I show you the dress I made. Now, I did cut out quite a few things because I was binge watching. I was watching The Lincoln Lawyer on Netflix. I know I'm late to the party. This is season 2. But I binge watched that. I really enjoyed that. And then I also watched this show on Netflix called Criminal. It's a UK show where actors get to really act their butts off in a show. It's a little dark. But very interesting. I highly recommend it. But aside from that, I made Vogue, very easy, very Vogue. I finally found the envelope, y'all. I was looking for it. 8897. The reason I couldn't find it, I didn't have it in dresses. I had it in tunics. So when I looked up the tunics, I was able to find the pattern envelope. But I had this material that I got from Fabric Mart, and it is a beautiful yellow and white cotton print and it's got these little yellow, it's got these monkeys and palm trees, and the monkeys are pouring tea, and they are holding umbrellas, and I just absolutely love this. I love doing the piping on the hem. It's a beautiful dress, and I'm not sure whether I want to wear it as a dress all by itself. I put this little pin on here to keep this closed. I love that, but I was working on that, and you'll see the whole thing in my makes for this month. And then I had a few minutes, and one of the things I released this week is a harmonic set, and I had done it as reversible in this very, very splashy, formal kind of way, but I also wanted to make it in a lightweight linen. So I have this lightweight challie, and don't you love these cuffs that they make with like they look sheared? I love this pattern. So I'm still working on the skirt, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful these sleeves are on this harmonic set by Pattern Fantastique. All right, and I've got one more thing I made this week. Now, the last thing I made this week is a bolster. This is McCall's 4123. I'm not sure if it's still in the catalog, but it has all these cool things in it, like the neck braces, like when you're traveling, different wedge shapes, boulders that you can have, bolsters, and this reading, what do they call it? They call it a lounge pillow, but I had one of these in college, and so I like to read in bed, and this really, really works. So I made this bolster. Let's see. Can you see? I made this bolster. Oh, I forgot. I made a crinoline for my Jamaican dress this week, and that is in this video over here. And I think it came out on Saturday on how to make a crinoline, a removable crinoline for your dresses, if you like to make dresses like that. So it's been a big week. I'm having a good time counting down the days to when I pull the prizes and showcase everyone's design. I'm gonna try to find a way to pull them in. IG on Instagram has made it so that if I use the hashtag reversible 2023, they only show the last 10 results. They don't show everybody's things, either work in progress or so they changed their thing. So that kind of was wah, 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 but that's okay. I'm checking my notifications. I'm looking at everyone's who submitted their things, their garments, accessories, whatever you all decided to do. I'm checking it out, so don't you worry. So I'm going to do a live on the 31st of August so that you can see me pull everyone's name to see who's going to get a prize. I wish I could give one to everyone, but you know how it is. All right, guys, we will see you next Friday, and I think I'll have something out on Saturday. We'll see. All right, take care.